What's good, YouTube? Y'all already know what time it is, man. We back again with another one-of-one reaction, man. And feel me? Got your boy.
Been robbing, stay robbing, always gonna be robbing. Every time you see me, just know I'm robbing.
Oh my God. And feel me? You got Mr. Himithy, Mr. One-of-One, the true Bando. Feel me? I already know, bro. And feel me? We got a reaction for y'all, of course. Watch what happens when this girl tries to run out without paying.
She tried to dip, y'all.
She tried to dip, y'all.
She tried to get low.
Can't get little. Maybe she could get little. We gonna see.
Nah, but watch this though. Like, I want to see how y'all react to this in the comments. Let us know.
Yes, sir.
After this video.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe.
Take out pay?
Yeah. This goes into a big fish project. Take out pay?
Mm-hmm. Take Apple Pay?
My name is Cash. It's okay.
It takes all types of pay.
Door's locked.
Door's locked. Yeah. It's stupid.
You got stupid. Come on.
You thought I was dumb? Door's locked.
It's locked.
It's locked.
He said door's locked.
Yeah.
Got him.
I would have ran over there and
Give him the
run
phone
it
back
in place.
until take his screen and let him do.
The phone. Let me take the screen, put the
Used to
screen
call
back
him,
on.
used to hand the phone
I still
over.
have a broken screen.
All right, I'm gonna call the cops if that's the case.
How she calling her mom? But she like what?
Hey, what you
You gonna give me my screen
man?
back, or you're gonna go home? Which one is it?
Hey, for the phone.
His screen came out to run home. He thinks my screen.
All you have to do is give me the phone. Let me take the screen off, and I'll let you go. Give me the phone back.
The price.
Give me the phone back.
Bitch on the dip.
We don't negotiate
Give me
with
the phone. I'm gonna
terrorists.
take the screen off and put your old screen back on and let you
We
go.
not negotiate with terrorists, man.
At all.
They try to violate my store. You fucking what?
The door's locked. That was common.
A customer tried to run away with a phone screen that I prepared for her.
No, I did not try to run
A couple of times.
I got you on video. Now she's threatening me to get somebody over here and kill me. And all I told her is to give me the phone, let me take the screen off, and I'll let her go.
I have plenty
She's
of
getting
them.
sent over here so they can fill up the
A
store.
lot of those in my
Now,
school.
what the going on?
What's
I tried to run out of
How's she
school.
gonna bring her
Okay.
mother?
And I told her, give me the phone, I'll take the screen off, and we can be done with this.
What's going
She wasn't having
on?
it.
How much is the phone cost?
The screen is $125.
You want to charge me $75 for my device hell?
She has an XR,
I got an 11.
or 11.
Right, that's what I'm saying. You didn't charge me. I just keep ordering out the kids that much. So why just charge me?
The screen for the 12.
We're not talking about no price no more. She
You
tried to
know,
run
you
away.
didn't charge me when you fixed my phone. They didn't charge me that.
What if he just took her phone too?
Inflation.
No, you jumped in right here, yours.
Shit, what's that?
You must have somebody's going to pay. So why you didn't go to the court?
She about we don't know about
All you have to do
inflation.
is give me the phone back and
That's
I
that
can take the
inflation.
screen off when we're done.
You just go there. You just go around the corner and get it fixed. Come on, let's go. Give him the phone.
Give him the phone.
I'm about to get it fixed. Give him the phone. I'm going to take the screen off.
She about to beat the shit out you in that store.
Break my phone.
What's already broken?
It's already broken.
How would you even charge me for a place that charged $100 some other I need you not tell me that when I drop my phone.
Yes, I did.
No, you did not. You want to have me
Son in the back. Yes, I did.
I'm thinking this motherfucker something here.
She tight.
It's automatic lock. You know, he did that because he walked weird, so he did that. He's not supposed
You
to
ran, honey, your daughter is a liar.
What happened?
Your intention was to run out here with the phone. That's why your friend had the door open and I told you to have her close it. I knew you were doing this. Honey, I've been doing this
Talking about what?
for 30 years.
Oh.
You don't want you to hear the truth. I told her your
Man,
phone
what the heavy hoes
is
is
not
right out of
fixable.
my phone,
I told her your
Doors
battery's
locked.
back.
Yeah, like,
Heavy girls is right out of your
Those
phone.
are
Heavy
dickhead.
girls, I know. So what did you do?
What kind of girls do you know? Stop lying.
There. Just hit the phone. I have just been out here yesterday morning. Okay, so what you thought? You saw Rambo?
That's why she's on TikTok too. She ran away 2 months ago. She did that.
She on TikTok.
That's why she tried to do it too.
All right.
Nigga said she's on TikTok too. That's why they try to ban this shit now.
Doors open.
Doors open. You said that, he would have killed her. Nah, wait. I gotta go back to doors locked. He killed her. Wait. He killed her. He killed her like how every nigga would want to kill her. Yeah, like how every, like, what? That's how you want to catch
I would have ran
everything.
over there and ran in place. Like, I was like, okay, cool. I ran back.
Mm-hmm.
It's okay.
Where's he catch that?
Doors locked.
Wait, go bring it back. She almost tripped too.
You got stupid.
I think she was about to trip. Look,
Doors locked.
she was about to trip.
Doors locked is
You got stupid.
crazy.
Come on.
Doors
Come
locked.
on. Let's just stop. You know how long I've been doing this? 30 years.
Yo, bro, I'm
So I said
crying. 30 years.
Big 30.
I'm crying, bro. Yo,
Jeez, wow.
that was funny, son. Doors locked. Yo.
Caught you, like, already. Like, you said, come on. Like, he's
Yo,
like,
bro. Nah,
that was
well, I
funny.
baited,
I ain't gonna lie.
son.
I ain't gonna lie.
Baited, yeah, man. That's another one, man. One reaction, bro. Yo, man, I gotta chill, bro. Y'all don't really know how to do this like that. Like, it's not like, I'm not, never mind, bro. Feel me?
Nowadays, most of all these stores got these door
Yeah,
locks.
yeah,
Like,
niggas is prepared. They prepared.
even the grocery stores or the corner stores, like, come on,
Yep.
man, you
They're
gotta
not
chill.
playing. Yeah, they're not playing, bro. They're not playing.
Like, I think they're about to run over merchandise.
Nope.
Just give him his screen back. He'd be alright.
It'd be alright, son. Feel me? How you gonna call your mother
Yeah.
after you stole?
She said, "Yo, he about to break my phone." Like,
Look.
yo, like,
He said your phone's already broken.
Like, what?
That's why you're here.
Someone back there took it off. Pop phone. He still had her old screen. Put
Yep.
it back on there.
Put it
like,
back on there. Like,
maybe
I'm
what if it was
crying.
somebody else's screen? Like, he was like, you know what? I got a whole box full of like broken screens. Let me just grab one.
I'm crying.
Back
Just
on
threw a
there.
fucking. That's an iPhone. He threw a Galaxy Note 7 screen
Yo,
on there.
oh, that would have been crazy.
I'm crying, but yo, yeah, man, y'all already know. You got the boy.
Been robbing. You know the vibes, man.
You already, man. Mr. One of One, Himithy, the true Bando. Yes, sir. To the next one.
Yes.